Okay, aloha guys. So today we're gonna make some ceviche slash imitation crab poke slash ceviche slash all mix up. Okay. So anyway, we've been doing this every time we get family meal. Guys tend to want to eat this. It's not that hard. So what I got here is 1 pound of imitation crab, and buy good imitation surimi. Okay, buy good surimi because it makes a difference. And I got one sweet onion, one Vidali onion. You can use Maui onion if you know more. Just use sweet onion. I get one tomato. I get cilantro. I get cucumber that's cubed. I get one. I'm gonna use the juice of one lime. I got rice wine vinegar, and I got soy sauce. I get sesame seed oil, and I get a little bit of sugar. Okay, so let me start chopping all this up. When I get everything chopped up, I'll show you how to season this, and you guys will enjoy this. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I got everything chopped up and put in a bowl now. So what we got was I chopped a half a jalapeno. Now, if you guys leave this, you like more hot, leave the seeds in. I took the seeds out because I'm an old man already. But anyway, I get half a cut jalapeno. You can put more if you want. Anything you can put more if you want. Okay. I got some cilantro cut up, or chopped up. I get onions, julienne. I got one large tomato in there, and I get about half a cucumber that has been made into little cubes, okay? Small dice. Now I put some black pepper in there. I grind some fresh black pepper. Okay? And I'm gonna put some alai. But if you don't have alai or Hawaiian salt, just put kosher salt is okay. Don't use table salt, okay? Right now we got the juice of one lime. Okay. Let me get the other one in there. Okay. A little bit, I put in about 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. Okay. Okay. I'll have the exact recipe at the end for you. All right. Put in a little bit of soy. Before I put the soy sauce, let me get. I put in about a tablespoon of sugar. Sugar just to cut all the acid. Get my hands clean a little bit. Okay. Now let me put some soy sauce. I put in about a tablespoon and a half. Okay? And in the end, I put in some sesame seed oil. Not very much, about a tablespoon too. You need more sesame seed oil. Okay, so anyway, that's it, guys. That's all the ingredients in there. I have it at the end, and all we're gonna do is mix now. And my camera froze up and died. So anyway, guys, this is the final product. Just mix everything together, and this is your final product. We served it on a tostada. And Surimi Ceviche, give it a try. You folks stay blessed out there. Stay safe, and we shall see you folks in the next video. Take care. Aloha.